Hello, I'm Vance. I live in Hawthorne, California, and I own my Slingshot for 2 years. I'm retired, Master Sergeant, 30 years in the military. Went to school for photography, for auto mechanics, went to school for computer science. Growing up, I was hanging out with my dad, working on vehicles. So my dad was in the service, and he was an avionics mechanic on helicopters. When I went off the basic training, started off in supply. From Fort Lee, I went to Germany for my first tour, re-up to be a helicopter mechanic. Anything mechanical, I love to tinker with. You name it, I'll figure it out or do my homework and fix it. The reason that I got into the three-wheel Roadster is I got hurt in the service, so I had to sell my motorcycle, and I started off with a Can-Am Spider. Sitting there eating breakfast with my dad, a Slingshot pulled up, and my dad says, "What is that?" I said, "That is a Slingshot." And my dad said, "You don't have one?" I said, "When I get home, I'm gonna have one." I went to the dealership, and the truck pulled up with the blue one, and I said, "That's the one I have to have." So that's how I got my venture started with the Slingshot, and I love it. I started doing photography 2016. I graduated from New York Film Academy. I shoot 3 to 4 times a week. I like to get the street art as background. Downtown LA to the art district. I go down Hermosa Beach. There's a lot of different murals. As a little kid, I always wanted to be that old guy with all the toys. At 55, I think I got quite a few toys. But I tell you this, until you test drive one, you will never understand. Just seeing one, you have to try it. This is Vance signing out, and this is my life on 3 wheels.